Hi guys, this is going to be a quick video. I just want to show you really how to get to the diagnostic port on this car. It's a Volkswagen Passat 2005 B5.5 and they put it in a pretty difficult location to get to. So, and obviously this is right, like I said, right hand drive. So let me just open the door and I'll show you. Okay, so I'm on the driver's seat. If I get out now, and bear with me. So here's the steering column. If you come down underneath here, a bit further down, where is it? There it is. I think you can see it just there, just above the pedals really. So there you go. So there we go. Thank you for watching. I hope that's helpful, and if you like any of my videos, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.